Hi, I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the external mic test in the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, friends, so this is a Realme X7 Pro smartphone, and I do have the two different kind of mics. One is the Type-C mic, directly you can connect to the smartphone. This is a small one, as you can see here, and next is the USB one. As you can see, so in this video I'll try to demonstrate you both mics, so how to use and what are the things you need to know as well. So make sure to subscribe and do follow me friends regularly. And this is a question which was asked by one of the subscribers, so I thought of making this video. And in case if you're having any other doubts on this Realme X7 Pro, make sure to comment below and definitely I'll do my best to cover that video as soon as possible, friends, definitely. And do check the links in description for more details on the Realme X7 Pro, where I uploaded more than 200 videos, and recently I did a extreme temperature test videos as well, so make sure to check that videos in case if you want to know. So let's get started, and for this live wallpapers, check the links in description. So next, this is a small external mic, friends, as you can see here. So let me try to connect the external mic here. So right now the external mic is connected, and you do get the top notification, as you can see. It's a small indication you are getting there as a headset indication, as you can see. So the phone has been recognized that external mic or external earphone something has connected. So now it's the time to test whether the mic is working or not properly. So to do that kind of testing, let me try to open the recorder. So this is the best way to test whether the mic is working or not. So let me start recording. Right now the audio is recording, as you can see, friends, clearly. So now let me try to tap on this mic. Every time when there is a tap, there will be a spike on this graph. As you can see, this is a spike whenever I am tapping here. As you can see, friends, there's actually spike here. So that means the external mic is working successfully with this kind of Type-C. So if you are planning to buy any external mic, then always try to buy the Type-C external mic nowadays, because it's very compatible with all other Android mobile phones as well. Nowadays, most of the mobile phones, everything are getting with the Type-C only. So make sure to buy this kind of Type-C external mic. So now it's the time to test the USB one. So let's see, friends, how well the USB will work. So to use the USB, you need to have this kind of Type-C to USB adapter, as you can see, friends. So this is a Type-C to USB adapter. Just plug in the USB Type-C adapter here. So USB adapter is plugged, and try to plug in the USB cable. So right now USB cable is also plugged, as you can see, friends, clearly. So now let me try to bring the mic here. So this is not the mic, this is external headset mics. So this is a gaming headset, friends, as you can see. This is a gaming headset which I am using. So this is a USB port connection, but here is a mic which is available here. So whenever I try to tap here, there should be a graph on this phone as well. As you can see, friends, so this is a graph. So when I tap the phone, there's nothing much happening. As you can see, I'm trying to tap. Even you can hear the tapping sound as well, but it's not getting registered. So that means the external mic is actually working from this headset, as you can see here. It's working really good. So overall, friends, this is how you need to use the external mic in this Realme X7 Pro smartphone. So if you're having the USB, try to buy the Type-C to USB adapter. And if you're having the normal, if you didn't buy any kind of external mic, and if you're planning to buy, always buy this kind of Type-C external mic, so which is really convenient and useful as well. So that's it, friends. This is a quick review on this external mic connection, and for more details, make sure to check the links in description, and also do subscribe and also do like this video, friends, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.